Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have a square root of 30 multiplied by 31 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 33 plus 1. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. And you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working in this paper. So I hope so you like this video and I can do all of that multiplication without using the calculator and with using our mind directly. So here I can solve this problem with less calculation. Okay, so I hope so you like this video. Now the very first step we are going to do is here first we rewrite this expression as this is 30 multiplied by this is 31 and we write this 31 as 30 plus 1. This is 32, we write it as 30 plus 2. This is 33, we write it as 30 plus 3 and plus 1. So now so here I have one thing have in my mind is that if you have any other method without this method, so please don't hesitate to write your method into the comment section. So that here you see that each of these terms involve 30. So now we can just take here x is equals to 30. So when you take x equals to 30, our above expression is written as square root of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 and plus 1 and its whole square root. And now in the next step, here we need to rearrange these terms. Here I can apply this nice product law. You know that if you have x plus a multiplied by x plus b multiplied by x plus c multiplied by x plus d and plus some number k, if you have some factors which these are multiplied by in this way, then you can see here if you add a and b and you get its answer is equals to c plus d. If you get this type of condition, if you add a plus b, it is equals to c plus d, then you can just multiply these two factors and these two factors as well. Okay, so now we see here which one of these numbers in which we can add and you get the equal answer. So this x means that x plus 0, so you just simply says that this x is x plus 0. So now when you add this 0 plus 1, you get 1. This 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So this cannot gives us the same answer. It means that we need to rearrange these factors. Okay, so you have 1 plus 2 becomes 3 and 0 plus 3 becomes 3. So when you add these two numbers, you get same answer 0 plus 3. Okay, so if we rearrange these numbers in this form, so first we make the pair of x with x plus 3 and we make the pair of x plus 1 with x plus 2 and we have plus 1. And now here we need to multiply these two factors and these two factors as well, so that we have a square root of this will be written as x square plus 3x into, when you multiply these two factors, you get here we will just multiply first, we take x and we multiply both of these values, it will becomes x square plus 2x and 1 times of x becomes x and 1 times of 2 becomes 2 and this is our plus 1. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here we will just add or subtract the like terms. So here you have x square plus 3x into, here we have x square plus 2x plus x becomes 3x plus 2 and at the last we have plus 1. So if you make these arrangement in correct way, then all of this type of questions you get these two values are same. Okay, if you do some mistake for rearranging these numbers, then it cannot gives us the same number. So and if it cannot gives us the same values, then it is more difficult to solve this problem. So you can just rearrange these factors carefully and now when you get these two values are same, so we can again take these equals to y and you get y equals to x square plus 3x. Okay, for substituting of these type of numbers, then we can get our question into the more easy form or more simplified form. Okay, so you see here, when you put this value here, we will get our above expression as y times of y plus 2, and this is our plus 1. So you see here, this will becomes a more simplified form. And now you can just multiply this y on each of these terms, and you get here the quadratic equation. So this is y times of y becomes y square, y times of 2 becomes 2y, and this is our plus 1. And now in the next step, we need to focus on inside the square root term, and we can just rewrite it as, so first we have y square plus, you have, this is 2 times of y, we write it as 2 times of y into 1 plus, this is 1, we write this 1 as 1 square. We know that 1 square is again equals to 1. And now here, after that, we need to apply this algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. And now you can focus on here, this is our a, and this is our a, this is our b, and this is our b. So you get a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So when you combine all of these values, it will becomes a plus b whole square. Okay, so according to this formula, we can combine these terms, and we write this into the whole square form. So we write it as y plus 1 whole square. Okay, so you see here, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here y plus 1. And now we back substitute the value of y, and the value of y which we can take above is x square plus 3x, and this is our plus 1. And now from here, we need to put the value of x, and you know that the value of x is x equals to 30. So when you can put the value of x, we will get here 30 square plus 3 times of 30 plus 1. And now we will take the square of 30 is 900, 3 times of 30 becomes 90, and plus 1. And now we can add all of these values, then finally you get here 991. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.